Now I just want to showcase to you these clip things for the visor right here. One of mine is missing, so I bought some off of Amazon. They look like they're 3D printed, and we're going to see if they actually work or not, because if you need to replace them, these aren't that expensive, and I'm assuming they're cheaper than going to the dealer and buying them. So let's see how they work, if they work, and then I'll have a link in the description if you decide you want to order these. Now this is a 2023 Chevy Bolt EV, but I think it's the same clips on the EUV and also the older Chevy Bolts, like the 2017 and up. Don't quote me on that. So if they look the same, they're probably the same. This is what they look like. It definitely has a 3D printed texture to it. But all I care about is if it works or not. So let's try it out. So there's two tabs on there. You can kind of see them overhanging. All we're going to do is try and line up these tabs and then spin it. And that is perfect. That actually worked. Way too easy. I wasn't expecting that. That's the factory one. And that is the aftermarket one. So I'm going to save this for a later date. But we're going to put this cover on and see if it works. And there we go. It works out perfect. I love it when you buy something that actually does exactly what it needs to do with zero issues. So, although it may not look as pretty as the OEM one, but it does the job. I don't think anyone's ever going to notice that it's 3D printed versus OEM, whatever molded thing it is. Super short video. No reason to make it too long. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.